My name is Davinder Singh. I manage the Workday relationship at AWS. I manage a global team that calls on Workday and the 360 relationship, which covers both selling to Workday, selling with Workday, Workday selling into AWS, all goes through my office. So I manage that partnership and the relationship at AWS. So Workday and AWS relationship goes back over 10 years, and it's built on trust, on partnership, and customer obsession that both the companies really take pride in. And the relationship is only getting stronger. We are building products together, like on Extend and on built on Workday. We're part of Workday's next gen AI, which is Illuminate. And we're really very proud and thrilled to be working with Workday to build the workforce of the future. The biggest benefit Workday customers get of being on AWS is zero downtime, near zero downtime customer experience. So Workday has maintenance windows, weekly and monthly, where not all the functionality is available to the customers during that time. But being on AWS, that thing is eliminated. We provide zero downtime for the customer, so they can see Workday is always on, all the functionality is available. And that is very valuable for some customers like Whole Foods or other customers who are doing payroll and recruiting and other things on Fridays or Saturdays, so they do not go down. So that is a very important functionality. AWS being a global provider, we can provide data residency in different parts of the world. For example, like in Singapore, the government doesn't want the data to leave, and the data can stay. So AWS provides that for Workday. So the data residency is a big deal as well. And then also we also provide regional maintenance windows. So let's say in India, if there is a recruiting session going on Saturday or Friday night or something like that, we can provide a maintenance window that works according to that region, that time zone, and according to the calendar of the customer there. And then the last thing is like security. We are very scalable, reliable, and very secure. We provide all those services to Workday platform. At Rising in Amsterdam, the theme is Forever Forward. And that's what excites me. I think Workday and AWS have a great partnership because we both believe in innovation, moving fast, and building solutions together that will shape the future. And we are really excited to bring AWS next gen AI ML features to Workday's platform, which is Illuminate. And we are excited about the Extend platform. Extend platform is really a great offering that Workday has, and we are excited to bring more services to that platform. And then we are also very thrilled about Built on Workday. We are one of the founding partners with Workday, and we are looking forward to introduce that this year and next year in workshops to Workday's ecosystem.